photography.
Yeah, so Hautai is at the southern end of Rangitoto. It's in Urupa, and some of the kawhare whānau still have a farm in Ohana. We've always gone past it in the boat, but it's the second time we've actually stopped there. Yeah, still haven't walked on it yet, but to see whānau for the first time do that was awesome.
Ko au te tihi uri o te whānau pātiti, e noho ana au ki Ōtaki, tēnei tōku toro tuatoru ki te motu nei, enerei tēnei tōku wā tuatahi e piki mārunga te tuara o Rangitoto. Nō reira, tēnā koutou. Oh, ko Tracy Pātiti ahau. The first time I saw Hautai, must have been back in the 90s, but we sailed past it, and at that point the relevance of Hautai I didn't understand it. And then we came as a whānau a couple of years ago for a Waitangi weekend, and we actually went on to Hautai as a whānau, and it was really special. When you get up on Hautai and you look out and you can see how all our family are sort of like standing as guardians, looking out over and holding all those memories. The island is a really sharp peninsula. It just drops away to the sea on both sides, and there's cleared greenery on the top, which is still pretty steep. Me nani koti te tangata.
One of the best things that which happened yesterday was going on our boats and learning our waiata tawhito with all the place names around here, and then actually visually seeing it.
Well, I had seen the words for e noho ana for that motete, and I knew that it was locations around the island, and so I really wanted to be able to have pictures in my mind for those locations and find out all these places that are special for us.
E noho ana au I tōku taumata papaki mai ngā ngaru I te pariko hatu. From the beginning, toru start. E noho ana au I tōku taumata papaki mai ngā ngaru I te pariko. This wānanga has been a very special connection with our tupuna. We felt the wairua from the very outset of this hui, and I feel privileged to come and assist with the motiatia. The first one was E noho ana au, written by Auntie Lucy Elkington, and this motiatia was one of her dreams when she was looking out into the moana, and in reflection it was taking her back to her younger days. And she did this hikoi around Devil Island, Rangitoto, and pointed out all of these significant places to her. Some of them were places where they lived as children, others were Wahitapu and Urupa, where a lot of our tupuna have been buried. Change of tune. Ka rere yarorangi I o kunei mihi. Toru back. Ka rere yarorangi I o kunei mihi.
On the back of my truck, and I always carry my my dive gear, my snorkel, flippers, my legal knife with all the measuring things on it.